Hi, I'm Dom. I'm part of the sales team here at Roofmaker. In this video, I will take you through an easy to follow, step-by-step process on how to correctly assemble and install your roof light. Okay, firstly, and most importantly, please take care when moving heavy objects and working at heights. Then, before you start, ensure all components are to hand, plus some high-quality silicone adhesive sealant. We always recommend using Dow Corning 791, your drill bits, and screws, and enough 75mm wide timber to build your upstand. You'll need a timber curb for your roof light to sit on. It's important that these internal dimensions match those of your roof light. In this case, it would be 1 meter by 1.5. It also needs to be 75mm wide to match the width of the roof light frame. We also recommend a minimum curb height of 25mm from roof level, but you can go higher if you need to. Finally, if your roof doesn't already have a pitch between 5 to 15 degrees, you'll need to make sure that your upstand has a pitch between these two numbers, so water can run off easily. Once your upstand is finished, apply a bead of silicone approximately 20mm from the inside edge. Position the roof light so that it is centered on the aperture like this. Then use the recess in the curb to position your screws. Drill pilot holes 100mm from each corner and in the center of the long sides. Then screw the frame down. Okay, job almost done. You're now ready to flash up your upstand with your chosen roofing membrane. If you're using a sheet membrane, you need to make sure that it's tucked right under the dedicated drip lip that sits just underneath the glass. This is important as it acts as the final weathering stage to avoid water ingress in this area. If you're using a torch-on felt, you need to cut your membrane to the correct size, fold back, and preheat with your heat gun. Only then should you apply it to the side of your unit. This avoids damage to the unit, which would be caused if applying heat directly. If you're using GRP to finish the roof, silicone bond a 4mm plywood border around the upstand and curb. You can screw this into the timber curb if you wish to make this more secure. What this does is provide a more suitable surface for the GRP to adhere to. Again, ensure that this goes right up underneath the drip lip as the diagram shows. And also, ensure that your GRP membrane finishes underneath the drip lip. We hope this video has helped to make the installation of your roof light easy and trouble-free.